Welcome to FM Tuition Academy. Okay, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, there's a button there down written subscribe. So you click the subscribe button, you hit it, you press subscribe. Okay, so if you want to do online tuitions with us, you can contact us on +26 095 333 1204. Okay, you can contact us on this WhatsApp line. Okay, +26 095 333 1204. Okay, today what we're going to be looking at is a topic in maths. This is junior high school. Okay, sometimes the grade 8 and 9 they deal with this, and also starting from grade 5 to 6. Okay, so grade 3, grade 4, grade 5 up to grade 7 they deal with this topic that I'm going to teach. It's called bases. So number bases. So you deal with the topic in maths called bases. So grade 3, 4, 5 and 6, and also grade 8 and 9 they deal with this same topic. It's also there in grade 8 and 9. So this is the introduction. Now we're going to look at under bases, we're going to look at how to convert, this is n here, how to convert any number let me put it like this, how to convert, so it is easy for you to understand, how to convert from any base to base 10. Okay, when you are converting any base to base 10, what do you do? For example, base 1 to base 10, base 2 to base 10, base 3 to base 10, any base to base 10 rather. So for example, if you are converting a number like 103, okay, base 4, okay, and then they say convert to base 10. Okay, so this is question 1. Okay, this is the question 1. How do you convert 103 base 4 to base 10? What do you do? Okay, so it's in base 4. Have you seen 103 base 4? This number down here, it means 4. It means base. So 103 base 4. This number down means base. So don't get confused. Okay, so it's 103 base 4, but you're converting from base 4 to base 10. Okay, to base 10. So what do you do? So the first thing that you do, you write your 103. So you write your 103 base 4. And then this same 4, you put it on top of each number. So on top of 3, you put 4. Okay? On top of 3, you put 4. On top of 0, you put 4. On top of 1, you put 4. After putting those the number 4, if here it is base 5, you put 5 on top. If it's base 7, you put 7. Whatever number it is down, that's the one that you put on top there. So then the next thing you put in front of the first 4 there you put 0, and then here you put 1, here you put 2. If the number continues, you put 3 and so on, but there are only 3 numbers there. So you start by multiplying now. You say this one here, you start with this first one here. So you say 1 times 4 to the power 2. You see this 4 to the power 2 on top in brackets. You say plus 0 times this 0 here, this 0 here, 0 times 4 to the power 1, you put in brackets, plus this 3 down here times the 4 that's on top. The 4 is raised to the power 0. Then you put them in brackets. So 1 times 4 squared. What does 4 squared mean? 4 squared doesn't mean 8. Okay? 4 squared, it means 4 times 4. This 4 squared that you're seeing, it means 4 times 4. And 4 times 4, it means 16. I've just written this to help you to understand. Okay? So don't get confused. It's just to help you to understand. So it means here it is 16 plus 0 times any number to the power 1 is itself. So here it is 4. 4 to the power 1, it's 4. Plus 3 times any number to the power 0. 4 to the power 0 is 1 here. Okay? And then you multiply 1 times 16, 16 plus. Any number times 0, 0 times 4, it is 0 plus. 3 times 1, it is 3. So when you add this, you find that it's going to give you what is 3 plus 0 plus 16 plus 0 plus 3. It will give me what? The final answer there is going to be 16 plus 3 is going to be actually, so it is 16 plus 0 plus 3, which is going to give you 19. So it's 19 base 10. Okay, you have converted. So that's how you convert. Okay. So example 2. So question 2. So we say question 2. If we say 120, okay, 120 base 3, for example. 120 base 3, you convert to base 10. You see? So this is converting any base to base 10, whether it's base 3 to base 10, base 4 to base 10. You are converting any number to base 10. Okay? How do you do it? How do you do it? So the same thing. So you write, you put your 103 here, 103 to its base. It's base what? Base 3. So this 3, as I said, you take this 3, you put it on top of each number. This 3 here, this one, you put it on top. So you put 3 here, there you put 3, there you put 3. And then I said you number those ones on top by starting with 0. So this one will be to the power 0, this one is to the power 1, to the power 1, this one is to the power 2. Okay? So you start. 1 times, you start to the first one, this one. So 1 times 3 to the power 2 in close brackets plus 2 times this 2 here times that 3 on top to the power 1. The 3 is to the power 1 plus 0 times 3 to the power 0. Okay? So 1 times 3 to the power 2 is not 6, please. 3 to the power 2, it means 3 times 3, which means 9. So here 3 to the power 2, it means 9. Okay? Don't put 6. It doesn't mean 3 times 2. 3 to the power 2, it means 3. You are multiplying it twice. 3 times 3 to give me 9. Always remember to write this somewhere as a subcalculation to help you remember. Okay? Plus 2 times 3 to the power 1. Any number to the power 1, it is itself. Okay? Plus 0. 3 to the power 0, this 3 here to the power 0. Any number to the power 0, it's 1. So it is 0 times 1. Okay? So here I've got 9 plus 6 here plus 0 times 1, it is 0. Okay? 0 times 1, it is actually what? It is actually 0. Okay? So 9 plus 6, which will arrive to, so it is 9 plus 6 plus 0, which is coming to 15. That's the answer, 15 base 10. That's how you do it, guys. So it applies to all questions. Lastly, I'm going to do the last question, so I'll name it question 3. Okay, I've done the first example, second example. So this one is question 3. So for example, I write 2052 base 2. Okay, base 2. So I say base 2, and then I say convert to base 10. Okay, we are converting that number. It's 2052 base 2. So 2052 base 2. You are converting it. So what's the first step? You put the 2 on top. That's what I said. You put 2 here, you put 2 here, you put 2 here, you put 2 here. And then you put it starting from with 0. So here it will be 0, here it's 1, here it is 2, here it's 3. I think I've remembered those things. And then you start with 2. So 2 times, start with this one. So 2 times 2 to the power 3, close brackets, open, 0 here, this 0, times 2 to the power 2, closed, plus 5 times this 5 down here, don't get confused, there's 5 here, this one. This one is 5 here, so this one is 5, as you can see, 5, this one. So 5 times 2 to the power 1, open, closed, plus 2 times 2 to the power 0, okay, in close bracket. So here it's 2, you drop the 2 times 2 to the power 3 doesn't mean 6. I'm going to do it on top here, 2 to the power 3, it means you're multiplying 2 3 times. So I'm multiplying 2 times 2 times 2, and 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. So meaning here I'm supposed to put 8, not 6. So 2 to the power 3 does not mean 2 times 3. That's the reason why I said this part you have to write it somewhere so that you can remember. Okay? Plus. Because 2 to the power 3, it means 2 multiplied 3 times. Okay? 0 times 2 to the power 2, it is 4. Open, closed, plus 5, you drop it, times 2 to the power 1, n number to the power 1, it is itself. Okay? Plus 2 here, times 2 to the power 0, n number to the power 0 is 1. Okay? N number to the power 0 is 1. So that will give me 16, plus 0 times 4, it is 0. N number times 0, it is 0. Plus, that is 10 plus 2. Okay, so that will be 16 plus 10, it is 26, plus 2, it is 28. So the answer is going to be equal to 28. Okay, that is the answer, 28. So we go now to the exercise. Now it's your duty to do this exercise. Okay. Okay, so the question is, convert the following number bases to base 10. Okay, this formula is only used when you're converting any base to base 10. Okay, so here they are. Question 1, 103, 102 base 3. You see, 103 base 3, you're converting it to base 10. All these ones are converting them to base 10. Okay, the third one is 125 base 4, you're converting it to base 10. The third one is 1023 base 5, you're converting it to base 10. Okay, actually, let me put a smaller one here. Let's say base 2. Okay, you're converting them to base 10. So those are the 4 questions. Okay, so thank you. So this is the end. As I said, you want to contact us, you can contact us on 0953331204. So this is the WhatsApp line. Okay, and then if you're outside Zambia, you can put +26 in front here. Okay, the Zambian code is +26. Okay, and then you put the Zambian code in front. That is for those ones who are contacting us outside Zambia. So you put +26. That's a Zambian code, and then we are able to teach you from any place where you're located in the country. We can teach you and train you. You can do your online tuitions. Thank you very much. Remember, this is FM Tuition Academy.